Damn, they going Cullinan next, right behind it. That's that new one because you can tell by the front of it.
You wouldn't be driving like that if I am. I can tell you that right now. Wearing my motherfucker out.
How's he gonna go? You want him to run into the car right here? Not just any car, a Lamborghini yours. Like, GT3. Nice. Nice. Bentley.
Oh yeah, let me look at what the fuck I want.
I'm in the middle of the street though. Traffic. Mustang Dark Horse. It be so many exotic cars out here. Like this is a Lamborghini yours right here. We don't see shit like this every day. Yours bolted up. Yours bolted up on like 4s or 6s or something. It got to be at least 24s on this bolted up.
Northwest, brother, Northwest. When it's nice, it's nice.
Oh, this you? What's this, 24, 22s?
No, the Bims, I don't know.
This boy nice, man. I love it. Boy, got that electric Hummer. Got electric Hummer though. Nice, nice. Electric Hummer. So you boys get out on the right, you say? Right?
Yeah.
Woo! They just skated. They said they sick of you. Yours. I'm getting yours. Damn. Nasty. There go another. Oh no, I thought that was a Lucid. David's yours. Ooh-wee. Aston Martin SUV. Big boy nasty. Nice, nice. I mean, that's rude as fuck. Damn, why is it so blurry? Oh, he's like, hello. Like, hello. Yeah. Oh, he said I got that. Why you was looking like that? You want me to get it?
I don't trust you.
Like Alfa Romeo? Damn. He said I got that. Yeah, y'all. We're in Miami Beach. That boy nasty. This shit getting thicker as it get later. Nasty. Oh, 4 Giottos though. All white interior. Man. Huh?
We can go to the beach. There you go, baby.
We can. Yeah, that's the same car.